Welcome back to Lombok, Indonesia. And more precisely, Seaside Collective here, the little sister project of Tampah Hills. I promised I would do a house tour, and here it is, the house tour. We have Ocean behind the camera. This is the first Seaside Collective house that has been finished just a few weeks ago, and we're lucky to be able to stay in it for the next few days. So please come along in a little tour of this place, where I'm gonna try to walk backwards without falling into the pools. And we're gonna go straight to the entrance, which is that little section over there. Why did we pick that spot? Okay, now I'm good. So, welcome to the entrance of Seaside Collective. So Seaside Collective is a few little houses like this. It's always these 3-unit houses. It's gonna be a few other one placed. I think in total it's gonna be like probably 15 or 20 in total, but they're all in the same shape and design. Some will have different features, but most of all it's gonna be like the same layout. When you come in, you have this beautiful entrance with your welcome toys. We use every day. Then you have this incredible living area like the kitchen and the living room and so on, which, as you can see, is pretty much fully open. Now we close everything, but every window can basically open to let some air flow. This whole space is not AC'd, but the air just flows through the thing, so you don't need AC in here basically. High ceiling, alang-alang roof. The wood of this place, I have to mention it directly, every piece of wood you can see, from the ladder, shutters, from the kitchen counter, maybe not the table, this one or that one, but like everything else, like the whole structure of the house, the big beams in the top and all that stuff is actually made entirely here in Tampah out of recycled fishing boat that sank. So they bought loads of fishing boat that sank and reshape all the wood to make it straight beams and basically build this whole thing. So from this to like the local tiles outside, they're really trying to be as sustainable as possible building these places, and I think it's really cool. And on top of that, they managed to make it kick-ass. Like, fun fact, I was actually chatting with the owner of this first unit, and he was telling me that it's the first project that he's seen where the design looks really nice, but then the place when it's finished looks even nicer, and that's the owner who says it, not me. We have a little first floor, as you can see, that you can reach with the ladder with a little hammock. And yeah, you have a full kitchen. You can eventually cook your own food or order food from Tampah's restaurant. Let's go toward the little bedrooms, which is mine. Sorry for the mess. We've already been living here for the past few days, so it's a tiny bit messy, but I mean, I guess not, because they just made the whole bed. So it's actually not bad. Wardrobe. As I said again, woodwork, they did everything in Tampah Hills in the warehouse there, which is sick. Super nice bed, eventually mosquito nets in case. There's not that many mosquitoes actually, even in rainy season, which is sick. That's the thing with this place, it's like simple but so well made, where when you live in it, it feels like a home basically. I mean, I felt at home directly when I arrived. So now it feels like home. I'm gonna show you my setup. Same ladder on the other side in case you wanted to have a space there. I use this for storage. I put like suitcases and stuff. You could put like extra beds. You could put a desk also, because the temperature is actually quite nice up there. We tried. Either way, on to the bathroom, which is also, I mean, look at these details. It's like everything can open, and everything, as I said, is homemade here. I mean, look at this. They even go to details like Tampah Hills amenity kit. Detailing, this, that. I love like raw concrete like this when you build on shelf and counter, and everything just feels like it's flowing in one piece. Toilet, keep it closed for the ladies. Oh my god, look at the light. Oh, you have your little sunset shower with the view. That was not planned. But yeah, you have eventually, when you're out here in the tropics, you kind of want your shower to be, oh, I can see it. Ah! Oh wait, it's gonna be even nicer. Let's see. Yeah, when you're out here in the tropic, let me tell you, a little outdoor shower is something that is, how do we say, mandatory. And so you stay connected with the outdoor when you're here.
And also, not to forget, Benny.
Oh yeah, which one?
This whole unit is with AC.
Oh yeah. Sorry, we didn't mention this. Look at this. It's AC. Even though it's along roof, it's actually insane how it stays cold. I'm barely using it, like it's probably on the low during the night. And yeah, this is an AC unit. I love AC. No, I should not say this. I love consuming. my god. Then we have the little walkway again. We have to and avoid the alang-alang roof. So this is the alang-alang roof. From close, it's basically straws. I think this, from my very basic knowledge, I think you have to change it at some point. You have to kind of tear down the roof and place it back, but it's only, I think, every 10 years, which sounds crazy. That's what a lot of places are using here because it's one of the most waterproof and heat-proof material you can use. So, and it's local knowledge and they've been doing this forever. So yeah, alang-alang roof it is, and it looks freaking cool. On to Ocean's room, which I hope is not a mess. No, it's okay. He's steadier than I am. Oh, let me pull these ones up.
I've never touched them before. I've never touched them before.
Oh yeah?
No, they usually do everything. The guys here usually do everything, and I don't need to do anything.
Exactly.
That's why I'm here, to not do anything.
That's the beauty with this place in Seaside Collective as much as Tampah. I think now they employed like 250 people, and yeah, from an incredible kitchen with incredible chef history. Everything is homemade. The staff is incredible. Like we have so much fun with them. I also know them for like the past year, so it feels like family here. Have housekeeping. They have.
It's like a hotel, but you have your own big unit.
Exactly. It is literally like a hotel, like a resort, but everyone has its own little unit, and you have one of the best service in the world. Same bed setup here. I'm not gonna tour you the bathroom. It's exact same setup on that side, but what I'm gonna show you is the little setup that Ocean has because he has kids.
That I don't know about.
Exactly. But if he had kids, they could be sleeping up here in a little double bed cozy setup, which is super cool. As I said, these places are tweakable. You can basically change it and do whatever you want with them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. What else? What else? Oh yeah, the little lounge. We should go and finish at the Courtyard, which again, I'm a huge fan of different levels. And our place with Ocean, this is like perfect inspiration from because I like different levels, and when we were gonna start designing our own, I'm gonna use a lot of these with a sunk down lounge area, but also like upper 2 steps to go to the bedroom. Like I really like this, and they play around with this so much. Look at these mini stairs to go down into that little patio. And you have these lounges in the back, take your son in the morning and in the evening. I mean, this place feels cozy, it feels like a home, and that's pretty much it for the tour today. I hope you guys like this one. If you haven't checked out the video about why Ocean and I are here in Tampah Hills, it was just released before, so please check this one out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. We even signed today with Yoon that we have 15 days to do basically the whole design phase of our places. Mr. Ocean managed to learn SketchUp, and he said, "Do you want to check what I'm doing?"
It's a concept at least.